I'm not sure. And I don't know whether you know Golden North is relocating.
Who is? Oh,
Golden
really? No, I
North,
didn't know. Where are
they
they
over
relocating to?
Murray Bridge.
Oh, wow.
Mm.
Oh, well,
Loss
that's good
of
for
it.
Murray Bridge.
Well, yeah, there's a Beston Foods folded there, so they're going to use their facility and then set
Yep.
up the ice cream system over there. They'll expand into milk and other items as well, butter,
Well,
I think, cream. Um,
well, it'll be better for distribution from Murray Bridge, probably.
Much cheaper. The company needs to do it. Had they not had this opportunity with a new shareholder, so they'll be gone from Laura by the middle of next year. Had they not had this opportunity through a new shareholder, they would have had to fold in December completely.
Oh, wow.
Mm. So the logistics, most of their milk comes from the southeast. And so the logistics of getting it up here and doing double handling backwards and forwards to Adelaide and other places. Yeah, so hopefully they'll survive well down there, but it means the loss of another 80 jobs in this district, which is
That's not good.
huge.
That
No,
is huge.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's massive. So yeah, and yeah, I think maybe there's something, it's different things we could do at the jail if we could get a hold of it off the department, that would open up opportunities for businesses that can employ some of those people. So that would be good, but yeah, we'll wait and see.
Mm. Mm. Yeah, what did you say earlier?